Hello family, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to set up a small functional home office in your living area, especially if you're working from home and renting with limited space. If you want to see how I set mine up, stay tuned. To keep my work area separate from the living area, I purchased this amazing screen, which is two pieces, to give me some privacy. I purchased it from Amazon.
Brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
Before we go into the office, let me just show you how high the screen is.
As you fade away.
Outside of the work area, I also have a laser printer for everyday printing.
As you fade away.
Come on in now. The first thing you will see is this sign which says start each day with a grateful heart. That I think is appropriate because I'm grateful for all that I have accomplished with the help of the Most High. And I also purchased this sign from Target. I purchased this chair from Ikea and the shelves right behind the chair also from Ikea. I also like this desk which I purchased from Amazon. I also purchased these from Ikea. I also have two more printers, an HP printer and a Canon printer.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that.
And this is a cabinet I mentioned that I purchased at Ikea. I keep all my files organized in here, keep all my paperwork organized, important documents, all the stuff that I need to find when I need to find it. So everything is labeled and organized in a nice way. The space is small, but it's functional to do what is necessary. Hope you were inspired to find a way to create your space. Just wanted to show you this little create sign that I made, and that's how when it light up, that's how it looks.
Guess you're trying to stay strong